Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral TikTok s'mores cookies, so let's get started with the video. Begin by placing 4 graham crackers on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Make sure you space the graham crackers far apart from each other. Next, add 3 squares of Hershey's chocolate on each graham cracker. Then add 1 large marshmallow on each one as well. Next, take some chocolate chip cookie dough and flatten it. I'm using Pillsbury cookie dough. Then place it on top of the marshmallow, chocolate, and graham cracker. Make sure the cookie dough covers the marshmallow and chocolate and most of the graham cracker. Then repeat this process with the rest of your cookies. When you're finished, place the cookies in the oven at 350 degrees for 15 minutes. Then let the cookies cool for about 5 to 10 minutes. Once the cookies have cooled, place them on a plate and enjoy. And this is the finished result! These s'more cookies are so good and make a great summer snack. They were also super easy and fun to make. By the way, you can use other types of chocolate other than the plain Hershey's chocolate. I've seen people use cookies and cream and Reese's peanut butter cups. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!